In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default font and text color for emails in Microsoft Outlook. This lets you personalize the appearance of every new message, reply, and forward. If you're using Classic Outlook for Windows, open Outlook and click File, then Options, select Mail, then click Stationery and Fonts. Under New Mail Messages, click Font to choose your preferred font, size, style, and text color. Repeat the same steps under replying or forwarding messages if you want those emails to use a different style. Click OK, then OK again to save your changes. From now on, all new emails and replies will use your selected font and color by default. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, click the Settings gear icon, then go to Mail, Compose, and Reply. Under Message Format, choose your default font, font size, and text color. Then click Save. That's how to change the default font and text color for emails in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.